I thought I might do that. Okay, let's see now. Turn signals. They're gonna be in them little bitty lights. I'm gonna need to fish those out, and what I'll do is I'll pull the wiring and see if I can locate what's what under there. I'll just leave that blanket. Oh yeah, baby. Life is just a hurricane or something. Life is just a fantasy or something. I'm hoping that's going to be a good ground right there. And I have got a multitude of colors of wires here. And one of them is going to be a turn signal. One of those situations where I could do with a little bit less sunlight in my eyeballs, because I'm looking up into the sunlight. I can't necessarily see what's up in here. I know that light is right here. I might be able to reach up in there and find wires that come from it. Looks like it's these two. I might want to cut. I got my wiring all stuffed up in here, and I might want to cut something. Or see, that one goes to that, which is a brake light, I think. Here, I go up to that. So if I can get to where I can see them, I might need to bring a light over here so I can see them. Suppose that would help. Oh yeah, baby. So it looks like a green wire and a black wire, brown wire. Now I suppose I could pull. I suppose it would make sense. I could unscrew that light, pull it out, and then I could see which wire's doing what. That would be better than just poking a hole in a piece of wire and seeing what happens. I like that idea pretty good. Coming off of there all that easy. Maybe wired in from the back side, and I can't reach up in there because I got that trailer hitch in the way. I don't want to pull it out and have to undo the whole car to get it back in, so it's easy to screw it back in there. Try a different way. Standing. Yeah, I see there's the other side of that right there. It's got a bolt through from the back side. So I might want to undo this. Maybe I can just slide it over. Yep, I can get to that and to that. I'm betting the green wire might be the wire I want. I hate to poke a hole in it, but I can, I suppose. I don't see anything blinking there. Let's try this one. And I may not have a ground, so I don't want to get too involved here until I make sure that I'm good with that. Sometimes you think you got a ground, but you don't. You never know sometimes, for sure. Guess I could put the running lights on, then something would light up one wire or the other if I had a ground. That is my turn signal. Can you see that blinking? So that's the wire I want. And what I want to do is strip a little bit off of that and solder this to that. I'm going to turn the turn signal off while I do that. I'm going to want to strip off a little of that insulation, but not too much. Just a little short section right in here. And I try to do this without cutting my fingers, but I don't always succeed. Sometimes, in spite of everything, I still cut my fingers. It's like a little sacrificial bloodletting. Sometimes It just happens, you can't help it. And yeah, I know I'm cutting toward myself. I know what I'm doing. I know I'm probably gonna hurt myself. Oh well, sometimes you just have to sacrifice a little flesh, I guess. I figure the good Lord did it for us, we can do it for our cars. I know that might be considered twisted thinking, but I'm a twistful thinker. Twisted. I'm a pretty twisted thinker, anyway. Let's see now if I can get that sorted up without making a bigger mess than I already have there so far, and then we'll tape it all up. Oh, the joy. That looks pretty bad. Yeah, it does. Looks like a 16-year-old boy wired that. Oh, wait, I am a 16-year-old boy at heart. I guess it looks just right then. Okay. If y'all have any problems or questions, just call the president. He answers all my questions for me. All the important stuff. I let him handle that because he likes to be part of all this, you know. He has to spend his days in that big old White House with all them reporters and all the opposition party and everything, you know. So if he has somebody let him hang out and mess around with old cars, he likes that quite a lot. A lot of people don't know that about the president, but he does like it. He likes to be messing around with old cars. He likes to get his hands dirty. Yeah. I let him drive it once in a while, but I have to keep him reeled in. He's a little high strung. I don't want him to mess my car up because he can't behave. You know how that is. Got to get him to behave a little bit if he's gonna drive my car. Okay. Yeah. Get out the high strength industrial duty tapage. A super duper good knife that I got here. By the way, I appreciate y'all spending the day with me today. You know, it wouldn't be any fun without y'all. Well, it'd be fun, but it wouldn't be this much fun. It's a lot more fun to share what you're doing than it is to do it all by yourselves. Sure is. And y'all are good company. Y'all don't interrupt me and talk a lot, you know, so it works out real good. I'll just listen. Which, you know, sometimes that's all a man needs is somebody to listen to him. Oh, the joy. Oh, the joy. Hey, I checked that side and it's working. It's getting kind of close to quitting time, but I hate to quit once I get this other light done. So, it didn't take me too long to do that one. Maybe it won't take me too long to do this one though. Be able to go in the house feeling good about what I got done today. Which I'm going to do anyway, but I feel especially good if I got both of them lights working. Now this one also has like a black wire and a green wire. Now, think about this. Is that black or is that brown? Is that the same green wire? It wouldn't be, because if it was, I'm guessing that green wire there splits off into another wire. But I'm guessing that's also going to be the one that's hooked to the turn signal over here. I bet that's the wire that came on the light from the factory, and that's the reason it's the same color. And it probably runs into a different color wire out in there somewhere. So let's see. Once again, if we could find that. Ouch, I stuck myself. I knew I would. I shouldn't say I knew I would, but I feared that I might. I just say that. Okay, I don't see the light blinking. There it is. Okay, y'all see that? I can't see if y'all can see that or not, but that's my light. That's my wire. So all I gotta do is hook that black wire to that green wire, just like I did on the other side. And we'll be through with this job for the day. Oh, the joy. I do a little neater job over here than I did on that other side. I made a mess out of that other side. I think. Kind of. I might be making a mess out of this side too. There we go. Right there. Right there. Okay, I'll take this and hook this to that. I can actually see that blinking already. Right there. Yes, sir. Can. Sure can. I guess I cutted that off when I did the other side and I didn't leave it running like I did this side, but doesn't matter. I'm almost done now. And I get a little soldering tool here. Alright. Now all we gotta do is tape that up and then we can call it done. We can go in the house, take a shower and get cleaned up. Sit around chitter chatter with Honey Baby. And then watch a movie or something on television. I didn't used to watch television, but I do now because Honey Baby likes it. I don't mind it. There's some pretty good stuff out there. We watch a lot of them British TV. We watch a lot of British TV. They seem like they're having a good time over there. Shows from Australia, and sometimes I don't even know what country it's from. I just know they're different. They're different than us. It's not always the same old thing as you get over here. Over here you get the same old thing, seems like all the time. Hate and discontent and mean-spiritedness and stuff like that. It's done infecticated America, taking all the fun out of it. Over in Australia and places like that, they still got a little sense of humor, I think. They seem like it on their television show. Okay, so y'all want to take a look? We'll take a look together. There she is. So we got turn signals, we got brake lights, and with that, on that note, I'm going to say adios amigos, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Adios amigos. See y'all tomorrow.